OPay is a comprehensive mobile payment platform that offers users in Nigeria a variety of financial services, including money transfers, bill payments, and investments. By leveraging its features, you can earn money through several avenues: referral program, invite friends and family, share your unique referral code with others. When they sign up and perform qualifying transactions, both you and the new user receive cash rewards. O-Wealth Investment. Invest funds. Utilize the O-Wealth feature to invest your money and earn daily interest. This allows your idle funds to grow over time. Cashback on airtime and data purchases. Purchase airtime and data. Buy airtime or data through the OPay app and receive up to 6% instant cashback on each transaction. Daily login rewards. Earn coins. Log in daily to accumulate OPay coins, which can be exchanged for cash rewards, discounts, or other benefits. Consistent daily logins increase the number of coins earned. OPay debit card benefits. Apply for a debit card. Obtain an OPay debit card to enjoy benefits such as 10 free ATM withdrawals monthly and 0 card maintenance fees.